I need to say one more thing about the hybrid program. A couple more things, actually. There's a few different ways that when I say extraterrestrial human hybrids, what does that mean? How does that happen? Did they get with somebody and make a baby? Well, sometimes those ET hybrids are grown in the womb of the human mother, and the extraterrestrial DNA is added in there in whatever method it comes about, which sometimes it's military. The father agreed, so the mother was injected or whatever it was, okay? But regardless, that the mother can grow the baby to term, the baby's born, it's a regular person, it grows up and realizes, wow, like I'm a little bit different than everyone else because I have this alien DNA, now I can do all these things and I'm connected to the aliens, right? That can be one instance of an alien hybrid. Another instance of a hybrid could be when, and I want to give you this, sometimes when we lose a baby as women, we miscarry and we lose a baby, that could be our star family, our extraterrestrial family that actually takes that baby, it was already planned, takes that baby, the fetus that we lost, we think we lost it here in the 3D, and they actually take that fetus and raise it on the ship as a hybrid baby on the ship, an extraterrestrial predominantly, and less humanoid, because then they add their whatever it is on the ship. I'm not going to give you the processes. I don't even know the ins and outs of the processes, but I do know that this is how it works. So that would be another instance of a hybrid. Now let me give you a whole nother scenario. That's about conception and raising a hybrid baby or child, right? Whether it be more humanoid or more extraterrestrial. Now, there are instances where people are actually injected by galactic beings in some method or in experience. They may have an abduction, not remember, get a regression, then now all the details come clear. They've been injected with alien DNA in their life when they're already kind of aware. They've been injected, something's changed. Now all of a sudden I have this DNA that's activated, right? Now I have this active galactic DNA that's changing things molecularly, that's changing things for me in my life. That can be an instance where a regular old person, boom, can become an extraterrestrial hybrid. There's also another way in which a regular person can become hybridized with extraterrestrial DNA, and this is a simple energetic imprinting. There is an alien genetic imprint that can be placed on us as 3D human beings, and it can basically overlay and entangle with our own DNA and become activated, and then we have these galactic code, alien hybrid codes in our bodies, and we can be hybrids as well. Now, this could happen to anyone. Honestly, it could happen to, like, I don't know, catapult humanity into the next big 5D shift. Who knows? I don't know this, guys, but I want you to be aware in case it happens to you.